We got interested in passive houses after moving back to Dunedin in 2011. I'd been a student here many years ago and had experienced some of the poorer quality housing in Dunedin, and one of the conditions that we put on ourselves coming back here was we wanted to live in a warm house. So we got in touch with an architect and he started discussing passive house principles with us, and eventually we decided that we'd go the full distance and build a passive house.
So we were living in a rental house. It was old and wooden, and with the boys it would cost us upwards of $500 and $600, you know, in heating in the winter, which was out of this world. So yeah, we were really interested in making a warm house for the kids.
Yeah, you can see the design's fairly minimal and clean and simple. We also wanted to take advantage of the views. We've got really nice views of Otago Harbour, as well as at the back to Otago Boys High School and out over the city, and so it was important for us not only to have the sun to the north but also to be able to see the views out in the other directions as well, both from downstairs and the upstairs bedrooms. I think this was the first passive house in Dunedin, but we're certainly aware of many others that have either recently been completed or are currently being built, as well as others in the Queenstown Lakes district. So we've certainly noticed some momentum, and people often ask us about what it was like to build this one and how we find it, and we get the sense there's growing momentum in New Zealand.